how will you use the walker to the patient? I mean, how will you give it to the patient? Of course, when she's sitting down, you can just put it. Okay? Or, if it is on the bed, much better. Right? So you just keep it straight and they can hold it direct. It's too low. So what you're going to do, just put it on the side. Let her stand up again. Mom, Julie, we're going to stand up in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait. Okay, now slowly. Your side. Don't leave your patient. Always hold the patient. Okay? Right. Move your right hand. It should be already adjusted already.
What's the name of that belt again?
Gate belt.
Gate belt.
Gate belt. Okay. So you move, and then your left foot, left, and then this one. And move. Yeah.
If it is half paralyzed only, right, sir?
Which one here? Also for recovering, no? Surgery also you can use this one. For those who are trying to start walking again, you need to check the patient case first. Yeah? For example, as I told you, she's amputated and you give cane or you give, and she asks for walking, you give wheelchair. Maybe the patient will be upset. She wants to walk while you give the wheelchair. Right? So imagine all the devices you're using and what is the purpose. This is very important. Okay, what else? So we have this one. You understand this purpose of the disc, pivot disc, and the crutches we don't have because I mean like someone borrowed it, but you already know what is the crutches. In crutches you should have space, at least 2 fingers on the underarm of the patient, okay, and also the same 45-degree angles, okay, not straight, not too much bend. Same like walker, but this one have the space 2 fingers at least on the underarm of the patient. Gate belt without the holder, so any belt has to. This one is a little bit expensive, of course. This one is you have the normal one belt. Okay, but you can still use it for those patients that not too much like big and heavy. So you can use this cane. Okay, there's 3, there's 4, sometimes
one
there's
only
1.
Yeah.
So different kind of cane. Usually they're using this one for not paralyzed. How you cannot give this to paralyzed person. So all the devices have their
functions.
Yeah. So for example, we don't have crutches here. Crutches is like this, right? Yeah. You cannot give that to half paralyzed. Why? Because the other side is not working. So how will we use that one? It's really hard to do it, no? So you need to understand what is the purpose of these devices. Okay? The patient can stand. The patient can walk. Don't give this one, the wheelchair. What you will give?
Cane. Cane only.
Here, walker.
Cane.
Yeah, a walker. So he can support himself. But sometimes for recovering, okay, especially for the surgeries like cesarean, they need to walk. They need to walk, even it hurts, they need to walk and straighten their body so it will not, like, you know. So, you need to understand what is the use of the devices. This is very important. Okay? You see already the amputated legs. Okay? And then you give the
cane
or the single one. How are you gonna do it? Wow. Okay?